Every second, 2.4 million red blood cells pass through your brain, a staggering number that's hard to wrap your head around. But that's not all, your brain also contains tiny magnets. You have magnetite in your brain, a fact that sounds like science fiction, but it's real. This is happening in your body right now. Magnetite is a magnetically sensitive mineral, essentially a tiny compass that's embedded in your brain tissue. For example, researchers have found that homing pigeons have large deposits of magnetite in their brains, which helps them navigate during migration. In fact, one study found that pigeons with magnetite implants could detect the Earth's magnetic field and find their way home from over 1,300 miles away. You might be surprised to learn that magnetite is also found in some types of bacteria, which use it to orient themselves in the Earth's magnetic field. It's a complex and fascinating process that's still not fully understood, but one thing is clear, the magnetite in your brain is responding to the Earth's magnetic field right now, influencing your body in ways that are still being researched. You might be surprised to learn that magnetite is created through biomineralization, a process where living organisms produce minerals. It's like a 3D printer, but instead of plastic, your body builds tiny magnets. This complex process is essential for your brain function, as magnetite is involved in many neurological processes. It's the conductor in an orchestra, guiding and coordinating the different elements. For instance, researchers have found that magnetite is present in the brain's hippocampus, a region crucial for memory and spatial navigation. In fact, a study on homing pigeons found that they have magnetite in their brains, which helps them navigate during migration, with some pigeons traveling over 1,300 miles to reach their destinations. What's more, magnetite has even been found in ancient human brains, with one study discovering that the brains of ancient Greeks and Romans contained high levels of magnetite. Interestingly, magnetite can also be found in some types of bacteria, which use it to orient themselves towards Earth's magnetic field. You might not realize it, but magnetite is all around you, and even inside you, playing a vital role in your daily life. Meet the molecules involved. Magnetite is made of iron and oxygen, a simple combination that creates a powerful magnet. The protein ferritin helps build magnetite, like a builder with a blueprint, ensuring it's formed correctly. You have 1.5 grams of iron in your body, which is enough to make many tiny magnets. For example, the bacterium Magnetospirillum gryphoswaldens uses magnetite to navigate, with around 20 magnetite crystals per cell. This allows it to swim towards its food source with incredible precision. But what's really surprising is that some scientists believe that magnetite in the human brain may be responsible for our ability to detect the Earth's magnetic field, a phenomenon known as magnetoreption. It's a complex process, but essentially, the magnetite in our brain interacts with the Earth's magnetic field, influencing our behavior. You might be wondering how much magnetite is needed for this to happen. It's estimated that just 6 million magnetite crystals, each 50 nanometers in size, would be enough to create a detectable signal. This raises interesting questions about our connection to the Earth's magnetic field and how it affects us. In 1975, a scientist discovered magnetite in the human brain, a finding that was met with surprise and curiosity. But that's not all. Magnetite is also found in many animals, from birds to turtles, and even in some types of bacteria. It's like a common language that transcends species. Your brain uses magnetite to detect magnetic fields, which is essential for navigation. You use it every day, whether you're commuting to work or going for a hike. But you don't even realize it. For example, the European robin uses magnetite to migrate from Scandinavia to Spain each year, a journey of over 3,000 miles. Interestingly, research has shown that some people have a higher concentration of magnetite in their brains than others, which can affect their sense of direction. In fact, did you know that the Earth's magnetic field is weakening at a rate of about 5% per century, which could potentially disrupt our natural navigation abilities? As you go about your day, remember that your brain is constantly detecting and responding to magnetic fields, helping you find your way in the world. You're connected to the Earth's magnetic field in ways you never thought possible. You're affected by magnetic fields every day, whether you realize it or not. Your brain responds to them. It's like a constant conversation, guiding your senses and reactions. For instance, the Earth's magnetic field is crucial for navigation, and animals like migratory birds use it to chart their journeys, with some species traveling over 40,000 miles each year. The Earth's magnetic field is changing, it's weakening, and this shift is happening at a rate of about 5% per century. But your brain adapts, compensating for these changes without you even noticing. It's like a silent guardian, always working to keep you safe. Surprisingly, research has shown that magnetic fields can even influence your mood, with some studies suggesting that people are more likely to experience depression during periods of low geomagnetic activity. You won't even notice the subtle changes, but they're happening nonetheless. Your brain is a remarkable organ, capable of processing and responding to a wide range of stimuli, from the magnetic fields that surround us to the thoughts and emotions that shape our experiences. As you go about your day, remember that your brain is constantly working behind the scenes to keep you safe and balanced. Most doctors get this wrong. Magnetite is not just a waste product. It's a crucial component. Your brain needs magnetite to function. Consider the case of neuroscientist Joe Kirschvink, who discovered that magnetite is present in human brain tissue, with some samples containing up to 5 million magnetite crystals per gram. It's not a myth, it's science. The evidence is clear: magnetite is essential for your brain health. You might be surprised to learn that magnetite is also found in certain types of bacteria, which use it to navigate the Earth's magnetic field. This unique property allows them to migrate towards favorable environments, a phenomenon known as magnetotaxis. Don't believe the myths. The truth is, magnetite plays a vital role in many biological processes. For instance, research has shown that people with Alzheimer's disease have lower levels of magnetite in their brains compared to healthy individuals. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of the disease. You should know that magnetite is more than just a simple mineral, it's a key to unlocking the secrets of the human brain. By recognizing its importance, you can take the first step towards maintaining a healthy brain. In 1953, two scientists made a bet that changed everything. They discovered that magnetite can affect your mood. It's like a switch. Your brain uses magnetite to regulate emotions. This tiny mineral is found in brain cells and plays a crucial role in emotional balance. For instance, a study on homing pigeons found that when magnetite was removed from their brains, they lost their ability to navigate, highlighting the mineral's significance. You might be surprised to learn that magnetite is also found in some types of bacteria, which can even use it to navigate the Earth's magnetic field. But what's really fascinating is that researchers have discovered that people who live near areas with high levels of magnetite, like the town of Kursk in Russia, have lower rates of depression. It's a complex process, but it's real. You won't believe the implications. Magnetite is not just a magnet, it's a key to your emotions, and scientists like Joseph Kirschvink have spent years studying its effects on humans, including a study that found magnetite can even influence our subconscious decisions. The more we learn about magnetite, the more we realize its power. You now know the secret of magnetite, a tiny magnet in your brain that's surprisingly powerful. You'll likely repeat this fascinating fact to someone tomorrow, saying, "My brain has tiny magnets that affect my mood." But have you ever wondered what happens if you lose these magnets? The answer will surprise you. For instance, research on magnetite has been conducted on homing pigeons, which use magnetite to navigate. In one study, scientists found that pigeons with magnetite could find their way home from over 1,300 miles away. That's incredible. But here's a surprising fact: did you know that some people have a rare condition called magnetite poisoning, where they inhale magnetite particles, affecting their brain function? It's a real concern for miners, like those in the Iron Knob mine in Australia. You might be wondering, what's the impact on our daily lives? Well, it's not just about navigation, magnetite also plays a role in our emotional well-being. So, the next time you feel a sudden mood shift, you might want to think about the tiny magnets at work in your brain. It's a complex relationship, and scientists are still uncovering the mysteries of magnetite.